Unlocking the meaning of "from this moment on." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its mysteries together. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or songs. From this moment on. It's a powerful expression that can add depth to your conversations, and understanding its usage can really elevate your English fluency. So, let's get started and unlock everything there is to know about this intriguing phrase. From this moment on is a phrase that marks a point in time from which things will change. It's used to indicate that from the current moment forward, the situation will be different. This can apply to a wide variety of contexts: personal decisions, professional changes, emotional states, or the start of new chapters in life. The phrase carries a sense of determination or a significant shift, suggesting that whatever happens next is important. To truly grasp the essence of "from this moment on," let's look at some examples. 1. Personal commitment. From this moment on, I've decided to take better care of my health by eating right and exercising regularly. 2. Professional decisions. From this moment on, our company will prioritize sustainability in all our operations. 3. Emotional changes. From this moment on, I choose to let go of my past and look forward to a brighter future. 4. Starting new chapters. From this moment on, we begin our journey as a married couple, ready to face the world together. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in expressing a firm decision to make a change or mark the beginning of something new. Using "from this moment on" is not just about marking time. It's about conveying a deep commitment to change or the significance of an event. It adds a layer of solemnity and importance to your statements, making them more impactful. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can help you communicate more effectively, especially when you want to emphasize a turning point or a heartfelt decision. And there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the phrase, "from this moment on." We hope this exploration has shed light on how to use this expression to add more depth and emotion to your English. Whether you're making a personal vow, announcing a significant change, or embarking on a new life chapter, this phrase can be your go-to for adding that extra weight to your words. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful. Remember, from this moment on, you're one step closer to mastering the English language. See you in the next video.